Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Mesheka, and I'm back with another video. This time I'm back with a mukbang video. Alright, so I'll be answering a few of your questions. I asked you guys to ask me some questions on Instagram, so I'll be answering those questions. It's not a lot, so I'm not thinking that this will be a long video. This will be a short video, but I'll be eating food that I got from, I think it's Nays Seafood. I found this page on Instagram and I ordered, so I've never had anything from them before, so I hope that it's good. Yeah, so I'll be having my beer, my water, and eating. All right, well, answering those questions. I wish there were some more raunchy questions, like some more, you know, spicier questions, but that's how my IG people are, I guess. So I'll go ahead and answer your questions while eating, like mukbangs. I think I'll be doing more of those because I really like to eat food. I think I said that already. But guys, if you're new here, welcome. I do mukbangs now. I do fashion vlogs, lifestyle, all of that. I'm on the road to 1K subscribers, so if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn that like button blue and turn that notification bell to all so that you never miss an upload from more. All right guys, and these nails are from this place on Instagram. I got them around Valentine's Day. They are I'll put the link in I'll put the company's name in the description. I think it's Pressed Jamaica or something like that, but yeah, this is not paid for. This is, I just wanted to give a small business owner a shout out. So I love them. I got them for Valentine's Day, and I think I want to dive into the food now, so let's head straight into the questions and the food. Let me show. Alright, so this is the packaging. It smells really good, guys, and there it is. Cheese on top. I know my son is like about me after this, but yeah, I had to. So good already. This is so good, guys. Oh, questions, right? Oh, wait, look. Alright, so guys, alright, so I'm gonna go to the questions. Alright. Not a lot of questions, you know. I'm gonna show the people them. Alright, so pull this. Kids, don't try this at home. This is my favorite beer to drink, my favorite thing to drink. Sorry, beer. I'm gonna have a little vibe. Question number 1, single or taken? I'm taken, guys. I'm taking, like, this is one of the most popular questions I get whenever I do this kind of thing. But yes, I'm dating this awesome guy. Really awesome. 2, this is like mostly mashed potatoes and corn and shrimp on top. 2, not a question, honey, just know I'm super proud of you, boo. Thank you so much. When I got this one, I had to answer at the same time. Yeah, so pick up yourself. She's like a sister to me. Next question. Still love me with the heart eyes. Hot. Yeah, I still love you like my brother. You are like my brother, yo. So always love. Fourth question, oh, you want so nice? I don't know. This is what Marius. I don't know. Like, this is a compliment. Thank you. I want to get the long cheese something. All right. Drink the beer like a juice. Alright, so let me pick this part up. I really need to get something to put the trash in. I swear I'm gonna eat this all because it's a lot. And after a while, it do get cold. Alright, let's go to the next question. Oh, you want so nice? No question. You're just nice. Thank you. And it's most of the men answering these questions or sending in these questions. That's why I always get these kind of questions. Like, where are the females? I need you to answer the questions too. Don't be shy. Don't be intimidated. Go ahead and answer. I need to hear from you guys too. And the others that's not asking, I want to hear from you guys as well. I want to hear your questions. Okay? Why you going so? I guess it was a picture that I'd put up and asked me a question why the person said it, so why you going so? I don't know why I said I'm going. That's my answer. The person say you're bored. I said no, baby. What the question I ask? I want to ask me the question. Oh, I want to ask me the question for do the video. And them laugh. Alright, so I'm down to the last 6 questions. Ever give your ex a second chance? Yes. Because I do believe in second chances. I have given my ex a second chance before. Just one of them. Or that one of them. Like before my child, no. Before I had my child, it was like, you sleep, you slide with my nigga. Once you slip aside, once you mess up, you're gone. After I had my child, I kind of softened up. I wasn't that hard anymore. I wasn't that hard on guys. Alright, and it was like only 2 of them, not a lot. 2 of them. So yes, I'd give them chances and I wish I didn't. Oh. Next question. Freak or innocent? How about innocent freak? Next question. Any of your ex ever come back? So they talk come like the same thing. No, not the same thing. Any of your ex ever come back? Yeah. They always do. Cause I'm nice. I'm really nice. I'm the nicest. Why would they ever wanna mess up this? Why would they ever wanna mess this up? Like so yeah. But I'm done with giving second chances. That's what I mean. Don't think I can finish this. I'm gonna question him almost done. I'm hot. Are you the jealous type? Yeah. Wants to shoot my one still. I'd say yeah, I am, but not so much anymore. I think you have to learn to give people their space. You have to learn to let people be themselves, and I'm not always want to talk to their man friend. Like probably them have female friend, but they want to hang out with too. Well, not hang out with. Talk to. So I've always been the one to say I don't have a problem if my spouse is to have like female friends, but just know your space. You get me? Know your limits. Know what you're supposed to do and what you're not supposed to do. No, when you're not doing what you're supposed to do, then that's where I get jealous. Or when you move a certain kind of way, which I'm supposed to get jealous about, I'm gonna get jealous. I'm gonna talk to you about it. Straight up. I get me, but because I have male friends, I love having male friends. So I'm not gonna stop a guy from, or my partner from having female friend him. Just know your space. Cause me know my space. Guys, me get tired. Next question. You single? No, I'm not, baby. I answered this already. I'm not. Ladies, let me know how you feel about the jealous question. And men too. And what I said about it's cool for your partner having friends which are of the opposite sex. Like, what do you think? Would you allow your partner to have friends? Or for you, is it a no friends thing? By tomorrow, my sinus would be killing me. Last question. Why always look so nice? Jeez. I see him. It's not even a question. It's a statement. It's a compliment. I'm gonna take out this big fish shrimp right here to finish this off. Ah. So how did I do in this mukbang, guys? Tell me. Thank you guys though for your questions and your comments and for your big ups. I really do appreciate them. I'd really just come on here to say, I'm gonna start feel the beer. I start feel it. I'd really just come on here to do this. Wanted to do a little quick video. So somebody asked me a question. Oh, I'm asking myself a single. Just remember. I'm not single, baby. Yeah. Shrimp is like my favorite thing to eat. I don't want to stop eating it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I really love answering your questions and I really like the feel of doing a mukbang. I think I'm gonna do a spicy wings. Like, I love spicy food, so I think I want to try that spicy kind of hot wings mukbang. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna try that out. If you like the mukbangs, let me hear it down in the comments. This is the day before Christmas. Yeah, more Christmas. Easter Friday. I'll be dropping this long after. I'll be dropping the video long after, but I want to wish you and your family a happy Easter, guys. Even though we're in lockdown, happy Easter. Happy Easter. Chill with the family, have fun with the family. You know, I was thinking while driving home, like, what about those people who are in marriages that don't want to be in marriages but they have to be locked down with them wife or husband? Like, happy Easter, guys. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.